Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can stop OneDrive syncing on Windows 10. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the desktop on my computer, and this is how the homepage looks like. As you can see guys, right now I am on working with Windows 11, but the process is the same on Windows 10. So first of all, you need to open File Explorer. If you don't find it right here, just go ahead and open Start menu and then search for File Explorer. Once you find it, go ahead and click on Open. And then once you open it right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sections. You're going to find Home, Gallery, OneDrive, and so on. So just go ahead and click on OneDrive and then right click. Then right here, you're going to find all of these options. Here you can copy, here you can expand, open a new tab, open in a new window, pin to quick access, pin to start, compress to zip file, copy as path, properties, always keeping on this device. Here you're going to find the option to free up some space. And right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find OneDrive settings. Here you're going to find the option to view it online, and right here you're going to find settings. So go ahead and click on settings, and then this window will appear. So once you're here, go ahead and click on sync and backup. And then once you do that right here, you're going to find all of the syncing settings. So right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find backup important PC folders to OneDrive. So in order to manage this, just click on manage backup. And then right here, as you can see, guys, if you find these options enabled, make sure to disable all of them. Disable documents, pictures, desktop, music, and videos. And then click on Save Changes. Don't forget to click on this option and then go back. Then make sure to disable these two options. Save photos and videos from devices. And also save screenshots I capture to OneDrive. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.